everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I finished an LOL and I'm just wanted to pop on and share that one with you. I will only be doing one LOL because I don't have any more LOL stuff. So I am done with the LOLs. Alright, so this one, turn you a little bit so you can see. Let me pull this over. Alright, I started this one off with the LOL Glitter Diary, and that is what this is. Alright, and then in the back, I have the LOL Jumbo Coloring Book. Okay. And also here in the front, we have the LOL glasses. Alright, and that's the glasses right here. I included some crowns that are here in the front, right there. This is the crown bubble gum. We have our bubble wand, as well as one of the cups from Dollar Tree. Put it up so you can see it. And I will lift this up at the end. For snacks, aside from Cheez-Its, we have the Rice Krispie Treats, fruit snacks. I have the sour punch candy here. That's this one here. Alright, and then I have the Airheads snow cone, as well as some Airheads in here, right here. And that's the snow cone. And then we have our cotton candy here. I have 2 eggs that have candy in them as well. And we have some sidewalk chalk in this as well right here. Okay, and I put a little plushie in there to hold the eggs. And so this is what our LOL basket is looking like. Super cute, y'all. It is super cute. Get my grass in there right. Alright, and then for the eggs, you know, just to dress some eggs up, I'll show you what I do. Since these stickers were free. I put my candy in the eggs. This one has 1 piece of candy in there. I'm going to stick some Laffy Taffy in it. Close the egg up. Alright, and then I'm just going to take my little bunny from that pack of bunny stickers that I got from Temu. And I'll just put the little bunny on the egg to dress it up a little bit and close the egg, keep the egg closed. Alright, so this is LOL. She is done. I'm going to wrap and bow. And in the house she will go to add to the count. I think I have sent, let's see, I can tell you exactly how many I've sent. $10 in the house so far. Alright, y'all. So, y'all tell me what you think about the LOL basket down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes.